Hi, I'm Coast and this is Lessons from the Coast, and today I'm going to be showing you a video on how to make homemade pizza sauce. So first, so I don't have any tomato sauce, so I'm actually going to make my own. So what you're going to want to do is get some diced tomatoes, and you're going to, if it's up to the top like how mine is, you're going to want to drain about half of the juices. So now you're going to put it in a blender. If you have a pureer or purifier, whichever one of the two it is, you're going to use that, and you're just going to pretty much blend it up until it's smooth. So I've just taken a good bit of this out because otherwise it would have been too much. So now what you're going to want to do is about half a tablespoon of sugar to sweeten it, like how it normally would be if you got it from the can. Okay, so now I'm going to add in my basil and oregano and black pepper, garlic powder, salt, melted butter, and for the melted butter you're going to want to do about 2 tablespoons, and then just a dab of olive oil. So now you're just going to mix that up, and you're going to want to taste a little bit of it, and so then you can do that and see which seasonings you want to add more of. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below on things that you would like to see. And it doesn't just have to be about cooking, it can be about different things that you would like to see. And share this to someone you know.